The Dehradun flyover are being used for campaigning by the local politicians who not only place posters but also painting the pillars of the flyover. Leaders from various political parties paid a homage to security personnel who lost their life during 2001 parliament attack. Bank across the nation witnesses a heavy rush as they reopen today after a 3-day holiday and still no cash in the ATMs. Finance Minister P. Chidambaram termed Prime Minister Narendra Modi's demonetization move as the biggest scam of the year. Two Indian Navy warships arrived with relief material for religion affected by Cyclone Varda. Good evening, I'm Sakshi Senwal and you're watching HNN 24/7. The nation on today paid homage to those who sacrificed their life while defending Parliament House from a terror attack on this day in 2001. The members of Parliament and leaders from different political parties paid floral tribute to the brave heart at the plaque in Parliament House. 2 persons from the Parliament Security Service of the Rajya Sabha, 5 Delhi police personnel and a women constable of Central Reserve Police Force laid down their life while preventing the entry of terrorists inside the Parliament House building. A gardener of CPWD also lost his life in the attack. Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, heralding the arrival of environment-friendly natural gas in the holy city Haridwar, launched a natural gas awareness campaign. He promised the supply of CNG and PNG in the city through pipeline by March next year. The work on the pipeline with an expenditure of rupees 300 crore will be completed by March 2017 and the pipeline will be inaugurated in the month. He also said while there will be around 20 lakh beneficiaries of the PNG, over 10,000 vehicles will get the benefit of CNG. Pradhan referred to Prime Minister Narendra Modi Ujjwal scheme under which free gas connections are being given to poor families.
तो वो तो गैर तक मांगना भी उनकी हक बनती है, लेकिन जैसे मैंने कहा कि भाई पहाड़ में हमने प्रधानमंत्री उज्ज्वला योजना के माध्यम से हम आने वाले 2 साल में पहाड़ में ऐसा एक घर नहीं रहेगा जहां हम सिलेंडर के साथ गैस नहीं पहुंचा दें। मूल विषय है पहाड़ के अंदर, उत्तराखंड के अंदर एक भी घर ना रहे जिसमें उसको लकड़ी, उपले या अन्य किसी प्रकार के प्रदूषणकारी ईंधन के ऊपर निर्भर करना पड़े।
Bank across the state witnessed a heavy rush as they reopened today after 3-day holiday. Meanwhile, people are struggling to withdraw cash from ATMs and bank. With banks closed for 3 consecutive days from Saturday and ATMs in the city still not functioning to full capacity, the ongoing cash crisis may further leaving residents high and dry for want to cash during the weekend. Customers are venting anger as most of the ATMs are running dry. As banks remain closed, long to moderate queues were seen outside different cash-loaded ATMs, while some ATMs continue to flash ATM close place card. The city may have got a new flyover with the inauguration of ISBT flyover, but indications are that it may soon go the way of the other flyovers in the city, which are being defaced by political parties with their posters. According to the local resident, the service road underneath continue to be full of and vehicles being parked illegally. The Balliwala flyover, which was the first to be inaugurated a couple of months ago, has been posters of various political parties, with even the one under construction at Ballipur Chowk, which is due to open on December 15th. Defaced by the flex banners and posters of various candidates for the ticket, and now the flyover are being used for campaigning by the local politicians, who not only place posters but also painting the pillars of the flyover in their party colors.
मैं आज देहरादून को और उत्तराखंड को बहुत बधाई देना चाहता हूं और आज हमको एक अपने ही इंजीनियर्स की मेहनत से बनाया हुआ
As Uttarakhand High Court put ban on the consumption liquor in the district like Uttarkashi, Chamoli and Rudraprayag, Srinagar President Ganesh Godiyal welcomed the decision of the High Court. He praised the order of High Court as saying that some holy places in Devbhoomi, the alcoholic work should be purely stopped, not even some district but also in the whole state.
मैंने कहा कि मैं माननीय उच्च न्यायालय के आदेश को शिरोधार्य करता हूं, सभी लोग शिरोधार्य करते हैं, अच्छा है। इतना मैंने जरूर एक साथ शायरी लहजे में कहा कि गाना था कि साहिद शराब पीने दे मस्जिद में बैठकर, या फिर वो जगह बता दे जहां पर खुदा न हो। परमेश्वर सभी जगह है। अगर आध्यात्मिक कारणों से लिया गया फैसला हो तो सभी जगह भगवान है, और लॉ एंड ऑर्डर के कारणों से लिया गया फैसला होगा। फैसले के डिटेल में अभी मुझे जानकारी नहीं है, पर अच्छा फैसला है। और मैं तो शराब जैसी चीज छूता नहीं, तो मेरे हिसाब से तो पूरे
On December 18, Greater Haldwani Gola par Indira Gandhi International Stadium will be inaugurated, CM Harish Rawat. With the old stadium in Haldwani getting a new lease of the life after Chief Minister Harish Rawat announced ₹25 crore for its upgradation. The city is set to get a second international stadium. The upcoming stadium, with facilities for many sports beside cricket and hockey, is the first of its kind in the hill state. Earlier, the state of another international stadium was inaugurated in November in Greater Haldwani area in the Golapur region besides river Gola. This stadium is to be built an estimated cost of ₹200 crores.
अठारह तारीख को मुख्यमंत्री जी से बात हो गई और ये निर्णय हो गया। हम चाहते थे हम अपने ही कार्यकाल में क्रिकेट स्टेडियम का लोकार्पण कर दें, तो मुझे खुशी है कि क्रिकेट स्टेडियम खूबसूरत बनकर तैयार हो गया है और उसका लोकार्पण 18 तारीख को हो रहा है। 18 से 20 के बीच में हमने तय किया था।
After getting Gujarat High Court permission for a fortnight stay in Haridwar, Pateri Kota State leader Hardik Patel reaches holy city in Haridwar. Hardik plans to take a Ganga Snan and spend some time in peace and meditation in the spiritual environment. On the occasion, he said hard word on Baba Ramdev and the centre government. He also alleged that demonetization is only a political stunt. This won't curb the black money and corruption in the nation.
तो कोई नहीं, देश की पवित्र धरती है, देश के पवित्र नदियों में यहाँ से निकलते तो आशीर्वाद लेने आए हैं। और हमने सुना था 2014 इलेक्शन से पहले कि बाबा रामदेव ने कहा था कि बीजेपी की गवर्नमेंट आएगी तो 15 लाख खाते में जमा करवाएंगे। तो अभी तो काला धन बहुत सारा कह रहे पकड़ा जा रहा है देश के अंदर, तो अभी 5-5 लाख रुपए तो जमा करवा दो, जब विदेश से काला धन आएगा दूसरे 10 बाद में करवाएंगे। और हमारा काम तो सिर्फ सामाजिक मुद्दा है, कोई राजनीतिक मुद्दा है नहीं। लोगों को जागरूक करना, युवा हो, महिला हो, किसान हो, जागरूक करने अपने
BJP MP from Mathura, Hema Malani, who once enthralled the people across the subcontinent with her dreamlike beauty, made a stopover in Haridwar. Before she proceeded for Rishikesh, Parmanath Niketan, where offered her prayer at Har Ki Pauri. Even the priest seemed curious to see the star of yesterday, while the BJP women wing leader looked elected over rubbing shoulders with her. At Har Ki Pauri, Hema visited Ganga Sabha's office and signed the visitor's book. She said in a confident tone, whatever the opposition might say, the common man is happy.
स्पर्श गंगा अभियान जो है शुरू किया था कुछ साल पहले, उसको वापस शुरुआत करने के लिए हम सब यहाँ पर इकट्ठा हुए हैं और निशांक जी को मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करती हूँ जिनके प्रयास से ये शुरू हुआ ये काम। इस काम को हम सब मिलकर साथ में आगे बढ़ाएंगे। गंगा को स्वच्छ रखना बहुत ही जरूरी है, हम सबका कर्तव्य है। और मैं एक सांसद मथुरा से हूँ, तो मथुरा में भी यमुना बहुत ही प्रदूषित हो चुकी है, उसका भी साथ में हम मिलकर हमारी मदद करेंगे। निशांक जी और हम सब मिलकर, आप सब मिलकर उसको भी पूरा गंगा और यमुना दोनों को।
Former CM Bhupinder Singh Hooda reaches Dehradun in Congress House. While talking with media, he accused the centre government. He also said banning the 500 and 1000 rupee note affects farmers and labour a lot. On the other hand, demonetization won't affect the black money holders.
उत्तराखंड वासियों के लिए तो उनका भविष्य उज्जवल हो और प्रगति करे, जिस प्रकार स्पीड से प्रगति करे और तेजी से प्रगति करे। किसानों को नुकसान हो रहा है, किसान को मैं बता रहा हूँ बिजाई के समय भी वो ना खाद खरीद सके ना, और जो आर्थिक मूल्य उसकी ज़मीन का बनाया था जो लैंड एक्विजिशन एक्ट के हिसाब से, आज उसकी आर्थिक मूल्य भी नहीं मिल पा रही। एकदम इस बात का सीधा
BJP party members burned the effigy of Uttarakhand CM Harish Rawat as he visited Kapkot yesterday, and the police lathi charge on the localites in against of them. BJP members raised slogans against it and also alleged that Rawat government is only doing self-development and not thinking about the state's benefit.
कल कपकोट में भारतीय जनता युवा मोर्चे द्वारा हरीश रावत के खिलाफ प्रदर्शन किए जाने, शांतिपूर्ण प्रदर्शन जो किया जा रहा था, उस पर कल वहां पर पुलिस ने बर्बरतापूर्ण लाठीचार्ज करा है। उसके विरोध में आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने यहां पर पूरे प्रदेश में पुतला दहन का, हरीश रावत का पुतला फूंका और उन्हें ये आगाह किया है कि अगर इस तरीके से भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं पर अत्याचार करोगे तो उसका बदला।
By the large gathering of ex-servicemen at the concluding rally of the month-long Parivartan Yatra at Tapkeshwar in Dehradun, Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar went all out to woo them ahead of the crucial election in the state. He asked them to contrast the present situation on the border with what prevailed in the past. Earlier, it was a practice to shed idle tears over the loss of life caused by terror on the border. Now, we retaliate before we pay our final respect to the martyrs and consign the mortal remains to the flame. The regime hold the soldiers and the ex-army men in the highest esteem, which is why the Prime Minister cleared the one rank, one pension for ex-servicemen. Although few technical problems still persist, he has assured that they would be sorted out soon. And it's time for a short break.